one done, another one to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on this one. I'm gonna replace the springs and cartridge, springs and seats, and the cartridge, and I'll have that. So alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finished result in kitchen downstairs in the basement. See, I individually changed the seats and springs, and as well as the cartridges in each individual handle. Each handle has a different cartridge, and as you can see, there's no sight of dripping water. So there you go, guys, another project finished. By for watching.